Ngā mihi nui. Whanganui is one of New Zealand's first cities. Cultural and river tourism began here in the 1800s, and 2 centuries on we retain much of our cultural heritage. With easy access to the river, the mountains and the sea, Whanganui is a truly special part of New Zealand. In the past years, Whanganui has seen a surge in beautification projects and has been recognised nationally for some of our environmental initiatives.
We've had some amazing town rejuvenation projects initiated this year, including the highly successful Whanganui Walls Street Art Festival. We've prioritised action to reshape our town centre. This includes a conversation station, decorated alleyways and a shared space pop-up cafe with large outdoor games. Whanganui has a wide array of litter prevention and waste minimisation initiatives. Council recently introduced a targeted anti-dumping campaign that encourages zero community tolerance towards rubbish dumping. Whanganui's Resource Recovery Centre is the flagship for our waste minimisation initiatives, with traditional methods of recycling coupled with waste audits, event recycling, plastic-free Whanganui events, Whanganui Environment Base, Green Bikes, Reuse Academy, and education facilities for school and adult learners.
In Whanganui, the community cares about our history, our heritage, our awa and beaches, the entire environment. We love being here, you will too. Haere mai ki Whanganui.